Now in this step, we're gonna assemble the PCB board on the standoffs and also assemble the heatsink on Raspberry Pi. So the first step is to place the PCB on the standoffs. So these 5 standoffs will go on the sideboards, and the 4 shorter standoffs will go on the Raspberry Pi side. Align the holes with the standoffs, and then use the plastic screws. These are 6mm screws to tighten the sideboard first. Don't tighten all the screws first, just like place them in and then screw in a bit so that they will find their place. We're gonna tighten the screws last. Okay. And then next we're gonna take off the heatsink and peel off the protectors from the silicone pads. The 3 of them, the blue ones. And then place the heatsink like this. This cutout should be on the audio jack in the camera connector side, like this. And then use the screws to tighten the heatsink onto the standoffs. Go one by one. Don't tighten all the way, just a little bit of each at a time so that the heatsink will go flat. And don't tighten too much, just with mild force. Now the heatsink is assembled. I'm gonna tighten the plastic screws. Don't tighten too hard because these are plastic screws and they can snap and break. And then last, we're going to connect the fan connector. The red wire should go closer to the header pin, like this. Should be assembled with the red wire on the right hand side when you're looking from the top. Now we're done with step